The round formula allows us to round the number in a cell to a specified number of digits. It could be useful for modeling purposes. On the left side of the sheet, we have two numbers. Let's use the round formula in order to round them. As we type round, we can see that the formula has two arguments, the number to be rounded and then the number of digits to be rounded. First, we have to select the number. In our case, that will be the cell B4, where we have 5.1. Let's leave 0 digits after the decimal point. And here is our output. 5.1 was rounded to 5. We can do the same thing with the number below, 0.05. If we round it to the first decimal point, the result is going to be 0.1. This is how round is applied. Thanks for watching.